Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to connect Matidor with Deltek Vantagepoint and sync your project budgets automatically. To get started, navigate to the Integrations area under Settings. This section is accessible only to Workspace Managers. From there, select the Deltek integration option. Fill out all the required connection details, then click Connect. If everything is configured correctly, the status next to the Deltek title will change from Not Connected to Connected. Once the connection is established, navigate to an existing project and open the Budget tab. When adding a new budget, you will now see a new option for importing Deltek budgets. A new drop-down called Deltek Vantagepoint ID will appear. Clicking it will display all available budgets from Deltek, including up to 3 levels of detail. You can search through the available budgets and select one or multiple entries. After clicking Save, Matidor will automatically pull the selected budgets into the system, including their active costs. The imported budgets will now appear directly inside your project, making it easier to track and manage financial data alongside your project workflows. After setup, Matidor will automatically perform a nightly sync every day at 6 a.m. UTC to keep your Deltek records and project budgets up to date, with the option to click the Sync Now button for an instant update of the current budget. Enjoy seamless budget synchronization with Matidor and Deltek Vantagepoint. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what is coming next.